Hey YouTubers, hey internet, what is happening? My name is Hong and welcome to my new channel, Ford Adventures, which is about mobile lifestyle, aka overlanding. I've been wanting to do this for some time now, maybe 4 or 5 years, but life's been busy, and now that, with this pandemic going on and being sort of semi-retired, I have some more time to myself, and I can actually focus on this new experience. I have a 2013 four-door JKU that's pretty much in a stock state with some minor cosmetic upgrades. Nothing too serious, nothing done to the body yet. So hopefully in the coming months, as stock replenishes, because it's just so hard to get things these days. Everything's out of stock. So I'll be going slow and steady, and I'll be transforming this rig into the vehicle that will take me to the unknown. So if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button and follow along, or even sub. Much appreciated. See you on the next video. Ciao.